Hey, what's up guys? Today I have a video tutorial today to show all the qStatus owners how to add custom backgrounds to the application. It's really simple to do, and all you need is a jailbroken iPhone, OpenSSH or iFile. I prefer iFile, and you can get a nice version by simply adding this source to Cydia. sinfuliPhonerepo.com. It's in the sidebar and also below the text of this video. And also a photo editing program or a photo that is at least 320 by 480. I'd recommend Photoshop if you have it, or there is a link in the sidebar that includes a website full of wallpapers already in the 320 by 480 format, so be sure to check that out. So I'm going to demonstrate the iFile method, which is essentially the same for OpenSSH, but for iFile it's just a little bit simpler for me, and I'm sure it'll be easier to show everybody else as well. So after you install iFile, there will be the icon on your home screen, and what you're going to go ahead and first is find your image. I will be using this one that I had edited on my computer previously, and it's the one that you can see is my background as of right now. I just simply named it Space on my computer, but I edit it to be the 320 by 480 format on Photoshop. There's a link in the sidebar for this photo in case you just want to use this as a quick if you want to follow along with me correctly. So first on your phone, navigate open iFile and navigate to var. You're gonna go to var right there, var, and then mobile applications, and then you're gonna go all the way down to you see qStatus. Then look for what it says under the app right there. It'll say in AF5489B4. That's just a little code because when you go on this on your computer, it won't say qStatus app. It'll say it'll have like all these long ass code things. So just be sure to at least remember the first 4 digits. I don't know if they're the same for everybody, but mine is AF54, so I'm gonna go ahead and remember that. And then you're gonna go in there. I guess if you just want to go ahead and get ahead, you can see qprefs app and then backgrounds, and this is where we'll be putting all our pictures in. But if you have the photo editing program, it'll just be easier to do it from your computer. So the good thing about using iFile is it has a web server feature, which is just this little icon down here, and when you click that, it'll like turn into a file sharing program, if you want to say. So it's gonna say initializing web server, and then it's gonna come up with all this stuff, and it'll have it'll say accepting locations at HTTP Louis iPhone blah blah blah, or at for example 123.45.0.192, that sort of thing. So all you're gonna do, and what I'm gonna do right now, is go ahead and do this on my computer. So if you want to go ahead and use this video time now to go ahead and do that. And now you can see that I have all the access to my files on my computer. So there is, right there, you can see var mobile applications, and then there was, remember how I told you guys to remember the little file because they were all going to be in all these like long codes format. So mine, I will find, will be right here. Remember I said 8F54, and there you can see that it is correct, and you can always tell which one it is in case you make a mistake, because it'll at least have this in their qprefs app, or it'll say mobile SMS or something like that. So this is how you can tell, because it'll always have the .app file name. So just go in there, and then you can go in backgrounds, and this is where we'll be putting the image at. So if, for example, you just wanted to go ahead and download that one picture that I put up in the sidebar, you can. So for right now, I'm going to be just showing you if you had it. So this is the file right here. It's just called space.png. So I'll just minimize that, and I'll just go ahead and re-upload that into iFile. So you're gonna go ahead and choose the file. I'm going to get saved to my desktop, and it is right there where it says space. Just double click it and then hit upload, and then it'll say file successfully uploaded. The file space.png got successfully uploaded. Now on your phone you can go ahead and hit done. You can close it, and then when you go into qPrefs app, or your qStatus, I'm sorry, you can go ahead and go right here to settings, and that'll activate this. And go into settings, and then you can go ahead and choose background, and there are all these pictures right here, and there's the one that we uploaded, space. Go ahead and hit done, and there will be your new background. So it'll be nice to have when you're if you have this app to post nicer updates and stuff. So that was a little tutorial. I think another thing I should add, there's no limit to the images you can add, but like I said earlier, be sure to check out the wallpaper website link on the sidebar for some more awesome pre 320 by 480 photos on there, in case you don't have Photoshop. For more of the videos like these, please subscribe to my YouTube account. Follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/irockish. Reply me for any questions that you may have, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.